Today we are going to discuss about the database users. So database user means persons. So the persons who are working in database management system are known as database users. So database users are classified based on their roles and jobs and their responsibilities. So database users are working in DBMS environment to manage the database, to insert or update or delete the data from the database. So database users are classified as various types like first one is database administrator. So database administrator is a person who managing the database management system in the organization. So the main roles of database administrator are first one is managing users. So managing users are nothing but creating users, uh, assigning passwords to the users and deleting users. So all are comes under the managing users. So next performance tuning. So if any transaction is stuck or halted, so that transactions will be cancelled and performance of the database will be increased. So next backup and recovery is also one of the role of the database administrator. So backup means maintaining the periodically backups or extra copies of the original data, and recovery of the database in case of data damaged or lost. So managing permissions for the users means assigning authorization permissions, that is insert, update, delete or access permissions for the users, and releasing the permissions from the user by using grant and revoke command. So next, if database user is already available in database management system, so when the database management system software is installed in your system. So next second user is Navi users or parametric user. So Navi users are unsophisticated users. They don't have any DBMS knowledge, but they are working with the databases data. So here the database users are accessing the data by using application program interfaces or screens. So examples for Navi users are the users who are working in railway counters or airline counters, or clerks who are working in banking sector or comes under the Navi users. So they don't having the database management system knowledge. So by using interfaces they are working in the database management system. So next one is system analyst. So system analyst is a person so who analyze the requirements of the Navi user or parametric user. So they are defining the requirements of the Navi users. So next fourth one, sophisticated users. So sophisticated users can be engineers, scientists or business analyst, and they are having the knowledge of database management system, and they are creating own database and they are working on their own created database. So next fifth user is database designers. So designers means so they are designing the overall structure of a database, and they are creating the tables and views, indexes, procedures, triggers, functions, etc. So all these things components are created by the database designers. So next sixth user is application programmers. So application programmers are nothing but programmers, so who are working to develop the program at backend side. So they are write the program, they are develop the program regarding to work with the database by the end users or Navi users. So backend developers also called as a application programmers. So generally application programmers or write the programs or develop the programs by using various types of technologies like C or C++ or .NET or Python or Java. So any backend application, by using any backend application, the programs are developed by the application programmers. So next one, casual users or temporary users. So casual users or temporary users are users who are occasionally access the data regarding to get the new information from the database management system. So example for casual users or temporary users are middleware managers and top level managers. Generally they are accessing the data regarding to get the information about the business. So next eighth one, specialized users. So these are specialized users are sophisticated users. They are writing the specialized database applications, but these applications are not fit in the normal database management system. So yeah, these are separate from the normal database management system. Examples are computer aided design, knowledge based database systems and expert systems. So these are all the different types of users who are working in database management system environment. Okay, thank you.